Hello everyone and welcome once again to the Greekosophy channel, the channel that gives you all the information you need to know about Greece. My name is Stam. Happy New Year! It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I've spent Christmas and New Year with my family in the beautiful island of Crete, and therefore I have plenty of recipes to give you. But for this particular video, if you like meat, and especially if you like sausages, I'm going to show you one of the best, if not the best, sausage you will ever taste around the world. And it's one that comes from Greece, and especially from the island of Crete. So if you like sausages, keep watching. So, the sausage I'm going to show you today is called Xidato Loukaniko, which translates to vinegary sausage. Now, some of you may think, vinegar and sausage? That doesn't sound very good. But believe me, the smell, the scent, and the taste of it is amazing. Okay? So it's a sausage that is made with proper cuts of pork and a little bit of pork fat that is smoked. And then you use spices as well and a little bit of vinegar. And then you fill a proper intestine. It's an animal intestine that you fill it in. So there's no chemicals or any plastics in there. It's proper meat, a little bit of fat because you need some fat when you cook it. It's smoked, so it has a lovely smoky, tiny tingy with the vinegar taste to it, but is absolutely amazing. If you visit the island of Crete, you have to try it. Most restaurants have it, most supermarkets, if not all, have it. Butchers definitely have it. So make sure that you try some of it, and if you like it, take it home with you. Now, I have just come back from Crete, and I've made sure that I've put a lot of it in my suitcase. And today I'm gonna make some breakfast, because you can use it for breakfast and you can use it as a meze. Normally you fry it with a bit of olive oil and that's it. You don't need to do anything else with it. So we're gonna have some breakfast with some eggs. So I'm gonna present it to you and show you, what to do with it. Unfortunately, I cannot send you the smell so you can smell it, but at least you get an idea. So let's go. So I present you Xidato Loukaniko. As you can see, it's a very big sausage. Okay, so as you can see, this is the intestine and everything in there is the meat. So normally if you want to fry it, some people cut it in really small round pieces, but I like to give it a little bit of more length. So as you can see here, let me cut a little bit more. There we go. So you can see here the meat, the proper meat, and a little bit of fat. Okay, but we will see that as it cooks. So maybe 4 pieces altogether? 3 pieces? No, we'll have 4 pieces. That one is a small one. Okay, so we're gonna fry these ones. And the smell is absolutely amazing. So for this, we're gonna put quite a bit of olive oil, because in a traditional Cretan way, we're gonna fry our eggs in there too. So we're not gonna use a separate. So make sure that you heat up the pan. We're just gonna put a little bit more. Never be scared to use extra virgin olive oil. It's one of the healthiest, if not the healthiest of oils. As we say in all our videos, if you really want to cook the way that Greeks cook, you really have to learn to use extra virgin olive oil in most of your cooking, rather than any other oil. So let's give it a go, see if our oil is not yet hot enough. So it starts to sizzle a little bit. Now I warn you on this video, because this particular sausage has traveled for hundreds if not thousands of miles to reach the UK shores, and traveled in a suitcase packed with other stuff. it got hit and banged quite a bit. So as you will see, it doesn't keep its form as it fries. So you most probably gonna see pieces of meat coming out of the intestine as it gets fried. But already the smell hits you really, really nice. It's an appetizing smell. It says, you know, bring out all the mezes and the raki. Obviously it's early morning now. Bring all the mezes out because I want to be eaten. So as you can see here, the meat is coming out. Don't worry about that. Everything is going to be eaten anyway. And in case you have you have the olive oil spilling everywhere, you just cover it, simply cover it like this. And it's safer that way as well. So make sure it's cooked in all the sides. You can see pieces here. So you can see, you know, proper cuts of meat. You can really easily eat that. Yum, yum, yum. Nice and tasty. You don't really need to fry it for long. Some people like it to be well done. I mean, it's already smoked, so it doesn't need a lot of cooking in the first place. But look at this piece of meat here. This is like a whole chunk of smoked pork here. No processed stuff in that sausage. It's proper meat, a little bit of fat, herbs, spices, and a little bit of vinegar. Right, the meat is ready now. So we're just gonna put it on a plate. So at this stage, you can do whatever you want. You can serve it as it is, with a little bit of lemon if you want, as a meze, together with other dishes, with a salad. You can chop it and use it in an omelette if you like as well. What we're gonna do now is fry in the oil that you see there some eggs, and basically you eat it with eggs. But sometimes you can use omelettes. You can fry chips. You know, the options the options are endless. So as you can see, look at that proper piece of meat, a little bit of fat, again proper piece of meat. Everything here is all meat. It's a very, very tasty and healthy compared to other sausages. Nadia has just grabbed some of it. Unfortunately, I haven't found any suppliers in the UK at least that sell this particular type of sausage, Xidato. So if you're a supplier of Greek products, please make sure you bring some to the UK because we need to have it. Otherwise, if you travel to Crete, make sure you pack some of it in your suitcase. It's already smoked, so it can last for quite a bit at your fridge. You can also freeze it if you like, and just take as much as you like out and fry it. So this is one of the best sausages you will ever have in your life. One of the best sausages I've ever tried around the world. Xidato Lucanico. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.